Here are 20 facts about the future of human space exploration. 1. Artemis Program. NASA's Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the moon by the mid-2024s and establish a sustainable presence by the end of the decade. 2. Lunar Gateway. The Lunar Gateway is a small space station that will orbit the moon, serving as a staging point for lunar missions and a stepping stone for deeper space exploration. 3. International collaboration. Human space exploration is increasingly becoming a collaborative effort involving multiple countries and space agencies. 4. Mars missions. Multiple space agencies, including NASA and SpaceX, are planning crewed missions to Mars in the 2030s and beyond. 5. Deep space habitats. To support long-duration missions beyond Earth's orbit, researchers are developing advanced habitats that can protect astronauts from cosmic radiation and provide life support systems. 6. Asteroid redirect missions. Some space agencies are exploring the possibility of sending crewed missions to rendezvous with and study near-Earth asteroids. 7. In situ resource utilization. ISRU. Future missions will focus on utilizing resources available on other celestial bodies, such as water on the Moon and Mars, to support human explorer. 8. Space tourism. The private sector is actively working on providing commercial space travel opportunities for civilians, opening up the possibility of space tourism. 9. Mars colonization. Some experts envision the establishment of permanent human settlements on Mars, with efforts focused on self-sufficiency and sustainability. 10. Nuclear propulsion. Nuclear-powered spacecraft could significantly reduce travel times to distant destinations, making crewed missions to the outer planets more feasible. 11. Space medicine advancements. Researchers are continuously developing new medical technologies to address the challenges of long-duration space travel on human health. 12. Artificial intelligence, AI, in space exploration. AI will play a crucial role in autonomous spacecraft operations, decision-making, and data analysis during future missions. 13. Space debris management. As human space activities increase, so does the need for effective space debris mitigation and cleanup strategies to ensure safe navigation. 14. Space elevators. The concept of a space elevator, a structure that could transport payloads and eventually humans into space more efficiently, is being explored. 15. Exoplanet exploration. Future missions may include the search for habitable exoplanets and the possibility of sending probes to explore these distant worlds. 16. 3D printing in space. In situ 3D printing technology could enable astronauts to manufacture tools and spare parts on demand during missions. 17. Space agriculture. Developing sustainable and efficient space-based agriculture will be critical for long-term human space exploration missions. 18. Space governance. With an increasing number of countries and private companies involved in space exploration, the need for comprehensive space governance and regulations will grow. 19. Space mining. As space missions uncover valuable resources on celestial bodies, the possibility of space mining becomes more feasible for supporting future human activities. 20. Interstellar probes. Research continues on developing technologies for interstellar probes that could explore neighboring star systems in the distant future. These facts highlight the exciting and ambitious future of human space exploration, where technological advancements and international cooperation pave the way for humanity to venture farther into the cosmos.